guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Julia Evangeline Knight, your sugar baby.
Wow!
Alright guys, so for today's content, another video, another try on guys. And this edition will be Turno Pants Edition Christmas from my husband. Alright, so let me show you. We have this to try on guys. And let's see that in 3, 2, 1. Let's intro first.
Nood na tayo ng mga good vibes na mga video natin ni Ate Lia B. Tara at mag-explore, tayo'y mapangiti, mga saya niya na hatid sa atin. Ito ang vlog ni Ate Lia B.
So now guys, let's try the first one that we have. It's this bodysuit in acid black with its turno, this pants. Alright, so let's go. Let's try it on now. Alright guys, so for the bodysuit we have this. Alright, side, back, side, and front again. So what do you think guys about this bodysuit? Alright, so this is a bodysuit. Underneath I have my pink tongue, and let's put this. Alright, so for the pants, it looked like this guys. I can put the pants like lowered pants so we can see the bodysuit like this, or I can also put the pants like high-waisted pants like this, but I prefer this guys, like normal one. Yeah. And the pants is still long guys as usual, since I'm 5 flat, I'm not too tall. I need to readjust it, but it fits me perfectly. So here's the front, looks like this, side, on the side like this, back, side, and front again. Alright, so what do you think of this outfit guys? So alright, next one that we have is this hoodie, pink hoodie guys. This pink hoodie with its pink pants. Alright, so now let's go. Alright, so with the hoodie it looks like this. I think I should remove the inner because we can see the inner. So the hoodie looks like this. See guys, the hoodie, I love the hoodie, how it is. Ayan. O, diba? Not like dun sa uncommon, parang hirap na hirap ako. So yeah, this is the pink one, pink turno. So front looks like this, side, back, side, and front again. Alright, so what do you think about this one guys? I love it so much. I love it, 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 I love it. Alright guys, so next one that we have is the gray one. So here's the pants. That's so fetch. Oh, diba? And this. Alright, so let's go. Let's try this on now. Top looks like this. Alright guys, so what do you think? This is the front. Side. Back. side again, and front. That's so fetch. So what do you think, guys? And lastly, guys, we have this turn one. Okay, this is loose, 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 loose. Alright, so let's go. Let's try it out. Okay, so wearing it top, it looks like this. Parang wala lang, normal lang. And for, pwede siyang pang ano, like everyday outfit, grocery outfit, labas outfit, wala lang, casual lang. So here's the front, side, back, side, and front again. And here, guys, ayan, as you may see, pa ganun yung top. Wala lang, yun lang, guys. So, yan. What do you think, guys? So, yan, normal lang. Parang mga din nating style, mga ganun. Pero I like it. I like it so much. Alright. So yeah, that's all for today. If you love this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Again, thank you so much for watching, and see you on my next vlog.